So AI image and video tools have really come a long way in 2024. Creators now have an arsenal of tools to help them create captivating videos in just a few clicks. And as more AI tools and updates keep rolling out, the disruption of Hollywood doesn't just feel possible, it feels inevitable at this point. So in today's video, I'm diving into the latest advancements, and I'm also going to be breaking down some of my workflows so that you can start using them for your own projects. First, let's have a look at advanced image prompting. Now, if you're on the X platform, make sure that you're following me, but make sure you're also following Rory Flynn, who always comes up with some sick prompts. Let's have a look at his latest prompt share where he generated this image from Midjourney, and then he gave that image to Minimax's image to video generator, and he added in specific prompt instructions. Look how good the results came out. So using his prompt for inspiration, I created my own. Check this out. Now let's have a look at how good character creation has become. Here's a character that I generated using a bunch of AI tools.
I am the Neo cyber hacker. I don't just break into systems, I rewrite them.
Now, character creation has really advanced in 2024, and I remember a time where we couldn't actually make the character's mouth move, let alone speak. So with new features like lip sync and voice design, creators are now able to generate characters that can actually speak with their own custom voice. Let me show you how I do it. First, I generate a character using the Flux image generator inside Krea. Then I grab that image and give it to ChatGPT and ask for a voice design prompt that matches the look of the character. I head to Luma Labs and click on their new voice design feature, enter the prompt and dialogue until I'm happy with how the character sounds. And after this, I head to Kling AI and I turn that image into a video. But before I click enter, I go back to ChatGPT and ask for an image to video prompt to go with the image. Now for this example, I wanted the character to maintain eye contact with the camera whilst doing an action. Once the video is generated, I click on lip sync and give it an audio clip of the character introducing itself. Once it's generated, this is what the final product looks like.
I am the AI Sentinel, designed for precision, programmed for protection.
I am the digital oracle, keeper of visions and secrets.
Name's Cyberpunk Rebel. Rules? I don't need them, and I don't follow them.
I am the Nexus Sentinel, guardian of the digital realms.
Next up, let's have a look at generating yourself using AI. First, let me show you how I used to do it with this very straightforward method. Head to any image generator that has a character reference option. Midjourney and Leonardo both have this as a feature. Upload an image of yourself, select the character reference, and enter a prompt. Here's how the results came out with Leonardo and Midjourney.
May
God have mercy on us all.
Now, in the past few months, there's been another way to do this, which in my opinion is much better. It involves training a model of yourself using the Flux Dev LoRa trainer. All you really need to do is upload 10 photos of yourself, use this video and follow all of the instructions. Once the model is trained, all you have to do is literally just enter prompts, and look how well the results came out. Every photo of me in my thumbnails was actually generated using this model. And remember that lip sync feature I just showed you before? Well, you can do the same thing with the images. Here's some random skit videos that I created last month.
So tell me, Danny, why should we hire you?
Well, Jennifer, let me start by saying,
Did you just shit your pants or something?
no.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave the premises now.
Hey ChatGPT, let's create a diet and exercise plan.
But Danny, didn't we create one a few weeks ago?
You know what? I don't need this negativity coming from you, ChatGPT. Okay, I can't be late again, or I'm definitely not going to get the job. Oh, for f***'s sake. Are you not entertained? Who will be my next challenger?
Your next opponent will be
Optimus Prime, the almighty devourer of world of galaxies, and we need catching.
Bringer of Destruction, version 10,000.
Mama! Next up, let's have a look at one of my favorite AI tools, Krea Ai. Now, with all of these image and video generators coming out, it can be very hard to track which one's the best for specific tasks. Well, Krea AI have become the first AI tool to integrate other AI tools into their platform. So users now have the ability to not only generate videos, but to select which model they want to generate the video from. But not only that, they now have released the option to select which image generation model you want to use. Now you can use Flux, Flux Pro, and Ideogram for now. I do expect Krea to continue their good end to 2024 by continuing to add more APIs and consistent updates to their website. And go check out this deep dive video that I did talking about all the features, guys. So I hope you guys were able to take something from this video that will help you with your AI tool and image and video generation experience. As always, I will leave you guys with my favorite community posts that I found on the X platform, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.